This year we have taken up a program along with CE and with the help of HMDA, Save the Lake program. So we are part of the Hussain Sagar Save Lake program. As an ongoing, we have been doing segregation of waste and composting in all our activities, but we are continuing this with renewed vigor along with CE and our friends coming from CE. We are involving the 8th standard in this project. We are planning to do continue with our water conservation. We have installed valves in our overhead tanks. We have also put up captions in all the washrooms near the water filters so that they can save water. We are also collecting all the food waste. We have put three bins on all corridors and all areas of the school so that the waste can be segregated at the source. Our class 4 employees, that is our ayahs, are also trained in segregation of the waste. We are trying for a no plastic zone, where we are encouraging our students and staff members not to use anything that is plastic, or try not to use anything in plastic. We also have a compost pit. We have Hyderabad and Srinagar has become a concrete jungle, but a little bit of our school, wherever we can afford to conserve our greenery, we are making use of all this food waste and the compost that we prepare every 20 days or 25 days as a manure. And we were very happy that one of the first tasks that CE has taken up in this project was the immersion of the clay idols. So we spread this word around our school and the members, even on our website, to celebrate this festival with clay idols. The 8th standard is also going to undertake a survey regarding how many clay idols have been used in the celebration in our school, and they will be submitting their report to CE. We will also be joining throughout this academic year with CE in all their ongoing projects, and we are very happy that to involve students, especially to save all the lakes and greenery, to be a part of this environmental project. I think we have close to about 150 to 200 children have participated in today's program, and they all have bought their clay idols along with their flowers and leaves. Primary children, middle school and high. Upcoming projects is the same one. It's not any new project, but we have been doing these projects for a very long time. That is segregation of waste and composting. We also have Save Electricity, where we every week we switch off the lights and fans for one day. Apart from that, even we are trying to reduce wastage of paper, okay, and creating a zero plastics. So yeah, actually what we were trying to tell the children that to use clay idols because that can dissolve easily in water and not pollute the water, and that water can be used for watering plants, and to discourage them to use the POP and idols which have been painted with chemicals, because they pollute the waters and not only clogging the drains, and this water is sometimes used for drinking, so it's quite hazardous for health. Instead of immersing the idols in Hussain Sagar, we showed them an alternative way of taking the clay idols in a bucket of water, and which you can do even at home, so that it can you don't need to go all the way to Hussain Sagar, or you don't need to go to any other lake to actually immerse the